Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas axolotl. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas axolotl, we're going to begin with the head. I want to start right up here, and to start we're just going to make a nice curved line like this with like a sad face shape. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go around and bring it back up to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. We're going to leave some space and we'll make another circle for an eye. We're going to make these kind of cute eyes, so I like to put a little half circle at the top and the bottom, and just color in the middle part. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve down and up, and one more here for the mouth, with a little line that's just going to go down and up here. Then I'll draw a little sad face right across here for the tongue. Now for the little details on the side of the face, we're just going to go and make a little line that's going to come out and it's going to curve back around. We'll do that again. We just come out, curve back around, and we'll put one more here at the bottom. So we just curve out and bring it back. Let's do the same thing over here. We're going to come out and we're going to curve around and come back. We're going to go out, curve around and come back. And I'm going to put this one a little bit higher. We'll curve out and then come back. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down and a little line that comes down here. Then right here we're going to make a line that's going to go out and then down. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out and down. Right here we're going to come up and then in. We're going to go up and then in for the little arms. We're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to go out and down, out and down. And then I'm going to come up and in. We go up and in for the legs. Now at the end of each one, I'm just going to add a couple little toes on here. We'll put like 4 little toes on each one. So we're just going to do this on each little foot, just make 4 little bumps on here for little toes of our little Christmas axolotl. Next we're going to do the tail. So we're going to start here and we're just going to draw a long line that's just going to come out to here. And then I'm going to draw this line down to the foot. And we're going to curve it out here and make it get nice and skinny. Now starting here, I'm going to put some little wavy lines on the top and some little wavy lines right here on the bottom as well. Now starting up here, I want to give our little Christmas axolotl a little tiny Santa hat. So to do this, all I'm going to do is just start here and we're just going to make a bumpy little line that's going to go right across the top of our axolotl's head. Then starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve over. It's going to come to a point and it's going to curve down. Then I'm just going to put a little bumpy circle shape right here at the top. Now right here, I'm going to curve this line across. Then I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to go over and then up for like a little scarf. Then we'll add some little lines here at the end. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Christmas axolotl. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.